guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well, and today I'm going to post the video on how I did this makeup look. Basically, I did this for a birthday brunch. It was the birthday of my husband and we went out for a brunch to Estee Royal Bengal. And since his birthday, the day of his birthday was a lockdown, so we went a day earlier, and it is kind of a get ready with me, but I'm giving a voice over here and I'm not talking in front of the camera. I really hope you all enjoy watching this video, and if you're new to my channel, then please do take a moment to hit the subscribe button and also press the bell icon. This would mean absolutely everything to me. Thank you so much for watching, and let's get started. So it was a daytime brunch and I've already prepped up my face, and I would be using a sunblock. I'm using the Neutrogena Dry Touch Sunblock with SPF 50, and I would be applying it all over my face. You all guys know that never ever leave home without a sunscreen. And for the primer, I'm taking the Embryolisse Lait Creme Concentre. I hope I pronounced it well or good enough, and if I did not, then please do write or mention it in the comments below. And this is the most amazing primer. Till now I haven't used a Smashbox and other primers, but this thing, oh my god. Next, I would be using a setting spray because it's a hot and humid day in Calcutta and I didn't really want the makeup to last long. And for the lips, I'm using the Nivea lip balm in Fruity Peach, something like that. I would be linking everything below. For the foundation, I'm taking the NYX Can't Won't Stop foundation in the shade Beige, and I'm pumping it all over my face, and I'm going a bit overboard with the foundation because I really want good coverage and a nice flawless look. And okay, so if you want to know, or if you want to see how we went to the restaurant and what we did the entire day there, then I would be linking the vlog. It's in the process of editing and all. I would be linking in the next video. And here I'm using a flat kabuki brush to blend the foundation all over my face. I'm not using a beauty blender because, as I told earlier, that I want more coverage. And for the concealer, I'm taking the PAC Take Cover Concealer in the shade Stark Nude. What an amazing concealer it is, guys. Oh my god. And I'm going all over the usual places where I have the pigmentation: under my eyes, my chin for contouring, the nose, and the other places. And for the chin, I'm using a kabuki brush to blend everything. And under my eyes, I would be using a beauty blender to blend it all. Okay, so I was saying that in the video we would be showing how the new normal is and how everything is different from what it used to be in the pre-COVID era. And next, I would be taking a setting spray to set everything again. And for setting the concealer and the entire base makeup, I'm taking the PAC Translucent Powder in the shade 09. And this is another amazing product. I do not know why I'm using amazing for every product I'm using, because yeah, the products are really good. I need to tell, and if something is good, one needs to tell that, right? Okay, here I'm taking a powder brush to set my entire base makeup. And in the entire process of makeup, I think this is the best part. This is the most relaxing thing one can do. I mean, for me, yeah. And for contouring purposes, I'm taking the K Beauty Contour Pencil, and I would be applying it on the cheeks and on the nose, and I'm blending it with the beauty blender again. I wanted more chisel looks because I was going to get clicked a lot, and also vlogging the entire thing. And for this eyeshadow primer, I'm taking the Essence I Love Stage eyeshadow primer, and you can see me talking to my husband because he was telling me, how long are you gonna take? And I was telling him, okay, I need probably 1 more hour. Yeah, I think that's why the weird face. Next, I'm taking the same powder to set the primer on my eyelids. Of course, it was a birthday brunch and I needed all the time in the world to do my makeup. And taking the Wet n Wild retractable brow pencil, I'm doing my eyebrows using the usual technique that I do in my videos. And this is a good eyebrow pencil. I wish that the pencil part was a bit thinner. Okay, so I was saying that we went to the ITC Royal Bengal, and being doctors, the best part was we were given some discount, 50% discount, and that's a big deal, right? And we had a stomach full of lunch and it was just amazing. Okay, now from the Estee Lauder Nude palette, I'm taking this brown shade and I would be applying it on the transition area and blending it nicely and properly. I wanted the eye look to be very subtle with the subtle, but it's because it was a daytime look and mostly for brunch. And now I would be taking this pink shade, and with a flat shader brush I am applying it all over my lids, taking all the time in the world to achieve desired intensity of the color on my eyelids. And you can see that this shade has a little bit of shimmer on it. Yeah, I'm using a small blending brush to blend everything so that everything is seamless and all beautiful. Basically to blend the color properly. And again I'm taking this fluffy blending brush to blend the color with the transition shade. Okay, so I wanted the look to be, as I told you earlier, I wanted the look to be very subtle and all, and I did not use any shimmer eyeshadow over it, which I usually do in my other videos, because I believe that shimmer can totally change, shimmer and false eyelashes can totally change your eyeshadow look, the entire game. And I'm using the pink shade again to define the lower lids. Next I'm taking the silver shade to highlight my brows and the inner corner of my eyes. And I really liked the eye look. It was very subtle, mostly subtle. Not too much of a glam. And I'm taking this tattoo liner to line my eyeliner. I am forgetting the name of the eyeliner. I will be linking it below. I mean mentioning it below in the description box. And here I am creating a small wing, not small wing, it's quite long wing on the outer corners of my eyes. I do not know what I'm blabbering. Please, sorry for that. But yeah, I was actually really excited to go out in this COVID time, and oh my god. Taking this Kiko Milano mascara, I would be applying it on my eyes, and before that I'm curling my lashes. And this is another amazing mascara, you guys, amazing. And I plan to try out more mascaras from Kiko Milano. I saw it on many YouTube tutorials that the mascara from Kiko Milano is really good. And you can see my weird face, I guess, yeah? The weird eyes I made while applying mascara. Oh my god, I'm laughing looking at my face. I do not know how you guys must be feeling. Next, taking this PAC Kohl liner, I would be lining my lower waterline, and I use a seam liner in every video. Next, taking this Physicians Formula Remover Butter Bronzer and bronzing my face, because yeah, daytime look. And also I'm contouring my nose, although I contoured it earlier, but still I wanted to contour it a bit more. And this blush from the same Estee Lauder, I think this is a Glam palette, yeah, and the pink shade was also from the Glam palette. And I'm applying it on my cheeks, giving the necessary blush, and this highlighter from the Nudes palette, yeah, from the Estee Lauder Nudes palette, yeah. And I'm applying it on the usual high points of my face. This highlighter was is a very subtle. I mean, provides a very subtle glow. And I think you can see it on the camera. It's not that blinding kind of a highlighter, but still you can make out that yeah, I have applied highlighter. And I'm taking this Estee Lauder lipstick in the shade which I would be mentioning in the description box, and I'm applying it all over my lips. Oh my god, this is super lustrous lipstick. This is the mood. I mean, it stayed the entire day even after my meals. So here my frizzy hair you can see, and I'm brushing my hair, and I am setting again everything with the Wet n Wild setting spray, and this is the entire look. I made my hair, combed my hair. I did not want to show how my hair looked, how I was combing my hair on the camera, and I made a kind of waterfall kind. It tied in a waterfall kind of fashion. I think it's called that. I do not know. In which way, I really enjoyed the brunch, and I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching this makeup tutorial. Not tutorial, this GRWM. And if you did like it, then please do give me a big thumbs up. I will be back again with a brand new makeup tutorial. Till then, stay happy, stay safe, and have fun.